Thank you, Chairman, sir. Sir, this morning...
Please, one second, Mike.
This morning we have read about a shocking case of huge amounts of cash unearthed at the residence of a judge of the Delhi High Court. Earlier, 50 members of Parliament have submitted a notice to you regarding certain remarks that were made by a judge of the Allahabad High Court. You yourself have repeatedly called into question the urgency for judicial accountability. You have in fact directed the Leader of the House on this issue. So I request that you please make some observations on this and give necessary directions to the government to come up with a proposal for increasing judicial accountability.
Honorable members, I am seized of a representation by 55 members of this House, and I have taken all necessary steps to get their verification. First mail was sent to all of them, and the good thing is most of the members have responded positively, helping me perform my duty. Some members are yet to do. A mail reiterating the same has been sent to them. I have taken all procedural steps, but I must share with you one concern that is engaging my attention. Of the 55 members who signed the representation, a member's signature appears on 2 occasions, and the member concerned has denied his signature. Now, I do not wish to get into this act which may graduate to culpability to a higher level. If the number is above 50, I will proceed accordingly. Therefore, most of the members have cooperated. Those members who have not done so far may please do it in response to the second mail sent to them. Then the process will not be delayed at my level even for a moment. Coming to the second aspect, the Leader of the House is not here. I had the occasion to reflect in a very focused manner that what appears in the Indian Constitution has to emanate first from our founding fathers, and then any change effected whatsoever has to be sanctified by the Parliament, and in some cases by 50% of state legislatures, and then finally it gets constitutional sanction with the Honorable President signing it under Article 111. And therefore I had pleaded with the Leader of the House that the House needs to know that Constitution, which according to this directive holds the field today. You all will recollect, if the mechanism which was passed by this House with near unanimity, with no dissension, only one abstention in Rajya Sabha, all political parties converging, going in for the initiative of the government, I wish to find out the status of that which emanated from Indian Parliament, made sacrosanct by endorsement of 16 state assemblies in the country and signed by the Honorable President under Article 111 of the Constitution. That historic legislation endorsed by this Parliament with unprecedented consensual support unknown to parliamentary history of this country dealt with the Malays very severely. If the Malays had been dealt with, perhaps we would not have countenanced such kind of issues. What bothers me is that the incident happened and did not immediately surface. If it happens with a politician, he becomes a target, a bureaucrat, an industrialist immediately. And therefore, systemic response, which is transparent, accountable, effective, I am sure will be on the way. I will get in touch with Leader of the House and Leader of the Opposition and find a mechanism for a structured discussion during course of the session, subject to their agreement.
So what about today's news, sir?
I said last, I'll discuss with them. We have, fortunately, the House is blessed. The leader of the House, who is also president of the ruling political party, leader of the opposition, who is also the president of the main opposition party. So with these two very distinguished people being present in the House, I am sure their counsel and others will also come, and then I'll discuss. We need to have some structured discussion, which so far we have not had. I indicated this. Derek O'Brien raised the issue. I indicated that I'll come back to the House. I will find their convenience during course of the day and deliberate on the